What is going on, guys? Chaz here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the iPod Nano 7th generation to see how well it holds up in 2020. So guys, here is a little bit of background. The iPod Nano 7th generation was released in 2012 in several different colours and is the last iPod Nano. Apple stopped selling these a while ago, but I managed to get hold of one last year from a local second-hand gadget shop for £75, which is still quite a lot, but I have wanted one for ages. So guys, first of all, there is no such thing as an iPod that can't play music. The iPod Nano 7th Gen still works great as a music player. I only have some GarageBand songs I made on my 6S and put on my iPod of iTunes, so I don't have any music from famous artists on there at the moment, but it does not have internet, so you must use iTunes to put music on your iPod Nano 7th generation. It also has a headphone jack, as back in that day all Apple devices had one, even the latest iPhones of the time. The iPod Nano 7th generation does not have a camera, unlike the older 5th generation. However, you can copy photos to it from iTunes. I've not tried this yet, but it should work, so if you want to store photos on your Nano for some reason, then you can. You can also put videos on it. I've got a few videos. I use YouTube DLG UI to download them, so if you want to watch videos about Wi-Fi on a fairly small screen but still viewable and portable, the Nano is great for this. The iPod Nano 7th generation supports podcasts, but only if you copy them from iTunes, so you'll have to download the latest episode every week or so on your PC and sync to your iPod, but it does make a great, and I do mean great, listening device for podcasts. There's also the fitness app. It basically tracks steps like a Fitbit and also running workouts, so that's good for basic fitness monitoring. Then there's radio. You'll need the headphone jack to be plugged in as it acts as an antenna, but it works quite well as a radio listening device. I use it quite a lot for radio. Finally, there's clock. It has a clock, obviously, a stopwatch and timer, also good for working out, for example, timing runs or press-ups alongside the fitness app can be good. So to conclude, the iPod Nano 7th generation is a good device for listening to radio, podcasts, music, working out and watching videos on the go. It is still fine in 2020, and if you still own one, you can still use it and it's still incredibly good. But I only bought mine last year for £75 in used good condition, and it was still quite a lot of money, so if you're looking to buy one in 2020, look for cheap deals, under £50 if you can. But I'm happy with my Nano and use it mainly for radio and videos, to be fair, and podcasts, but sometimes for other stuff. I can see myself getting a good few years out of this, so yes, it is still a good device if you already have one or if you get a good deal on one. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications to get notified each time I upload. Anyways guys, have a good day, see you next time, and goodbye.